Oh, hi. Welcome. Welcome to my house. Today is my house owner for some lazy not being in your house. So I give you some meal. Today's the menu is Soy Sauce Egg Rice. Recipe is divided into two types. I will show you all of them. Okay, let's make. We are two people, so I think men eat 2 bowls of the rice. 편이라서 충분할 것 같아. I make a rice is some little 오랜만 익숙하지가 않아. I learned the height of the deep of the water is when you put a hand like this deep. 넣고 20 minutes the sleeping rice, okay?
Okay.
We also sleep. I will sleep. Next, level. The first recipe is the simple. We need egg, soy sauce, salt and sugar, and this oil, the true oil.
Sesame oil.
Sesame. What is sesame?
참깨.
Cham. No, in Korea there's true oil. Okay. And this is the sesame. It's the middle ingredient. So we have to wait until the rice is open.
What are we gonna do until then?
Until that, the first menu is very 간단, simple. First, we have to we need the olive oil. Hey, where did it go? I find you. Oil, spread. Put the egg in the fry pan, okay? Break the egg and put tidy, okay? There's some, what is that? Coffee? Wait, just wait. And the rice, soy sauce, some sugar, and then next the sesame oil. This is the first menu, the Soy Sauce Egg Rice. It's the standard menu. And next is the next recipe. We need spam. So make butter. Ketchup. First we make spam. 굽다. Burn spam. What's wrong? Next is doma. Place the doma and then get up. Just like this. Cut the meat. It is better to thin. Next we'll fire the spam. Buttering. We'll put the butter swimming. Wait for it stop. Right until ripe.
Ripe.
Ripe?
When you're cooking, you say cooked. When you're talking about fruit, it's ripe.
So it's ripe?
It's cooked.
Yeah. So fucking ripe or rape?
Cooked.
Cooked?
Yes. And rape is a bad word.
Bad word?
Yeah, you know rape.
Right? When the thing is done, get out the pan. Next we'll make the egg again. 3 eggs. Then put out the, what is the key? Don't be careful. Have to get out the shell. You have to salt. And next we should look. It'll be 위는 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. attention. Attention. Next is the last process of the cooking. Save the butter. Done. Why are you laughing?
Is that oil?
Don't be careful. You have the good concentration. Okay. And next.
Oh, that egg doesn't look cooked.
The bansuk in Korea.
Even the white? Even the white part?
Shut up. Some soy sauce. Sugar. And mix. The end, the mamuri, salata, is the butter egg spam rice. Ah, what I forget. Where are you? Ketchup. The cook is done.
What is that?
What is the banchan? Side dish. It's below the side dish.
So what are these?
In Korean, the ganip and what you know? It's the Korean, the best food, best side dish, kimchi. This is the first menu. I'll eat the soy sauce egg rice. It needs some more soy sauce. It's great. I'll give it 1 spoon.
이거 먹어야지.
No. You eat. You should eat. How about it? Don't 끄덕. Say.
It's good.
Good. Really good. Why you?
아니, 얘 뭐 넣었지? Soy sauce, egg.
Egg and salt. No salt. Sugar.
Sugar.
Sugar and some salata.
Sesame.
Sesame. So, how about this menu?
This one?
Yeah.
It's good.
That's good.
Yeah.
Okay. And next, so mix the ketchup. This menu I call the name the pokchan drop. No, bomb drop. It's good. It's good, but 솔직히 말해서 truly little 느끼해. Because of the many butters. I want you to try. But it's good.
It's good.
It's good.
Yeah.
You have the soul.
Salt?
You have the soul mint.
So.
Yeah. I think it's very soulless.
I like it. I like oily food.
You like olive food?
Mm-hmm.
Not olive food. This menu.
Yeah, I like it because it's oily.
Just oily?
I like the ketchup.
Yeah.
I like the butter.
Okay. So the school was well done. There was some mistake, okay. But outcome is 좀 잘 됐다. Hi 드림뭉수. Try this menu and eat delicious. So have a good night.